In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create contour offset path in Affinity Designer. If you've ever needed an outline that sits perfectly inside or outside your shape, great for stickers, badges, logos, and print-safe margins, Affinity Designer's contour tool makes it fast and precise. We'll keep this simple and clear. Choose the tool, click your shape, and then fine-tune the offset to get exactly the look you want. Start by choosing the contour tool in the toolbar. You'll find it on the left, represented by an icon that looks like a shape with an outline echoing a few around it. Selecting this tool tells Affinity Designer you want to create a live offset path, sometimes called an inset or outset. No prep is required beyond having a shape or curve on your canvas, and this works beautifully on most vector shapes. Next, click directly on the shape you want to contour. As soon as you click, you'll see a leak contour appear with a small handle. That handle is your on-canvas control for changing the distance of the offset. You're now in a Wistia editing state, which means you can see changes update in real time as you adjust. Now, simply adjust it. Drag the handle outward to create an outer contour or inward to create an inner contour. Watch the edges closely as you drag. You'll notice the contour hugs your shape evenly, even around curves and corners. For precise values, say a clean 5mm offset, use the radius field in the context toolbar at the top. Positive values push outward, smaller or negative values pull inward. If your corners look too pointy or too soft, open the corner options in the context toolbar and choose round for smooth, friendly edges, bevel for clipped corners, or miter for sharp points. If you pick miter and see spikes on tight angles, lower the miter limit to keep things tidy. A few quick tips as you refine. Zoom in on intricate areas to check how the contour behaves around tight curves. The live preview makes it easy to spot and correct issues. Keep an eye on fills and strokes. Depending on your design, you might prefer the contour to show as a fill-only shape or a stroked outline. And remember, the contour remains editable. Anytime you need to tweak it, just reselect the contour tool, click the shape, and adjust the handle or numeric radius. That's all there is to it. Choose the contour tool, click your shape, and adjust until the offset looks perfect. With these controls, you'll get clean, consistent outlines ready for logos, icons, packaging, and print.